Hello students, I hope you guys are fine. Okay, so today let me try to work out these questions on factorization. So I'm going to do page 1, but also there is that question on page 2 which says 27 minus 3x squared and 8x squared minus 18. I will do those two questions on difference of two squares. So our first question is this. So here we are going to factorize this question. So we rearrange x minus plus x squared minus y minus xy. You rearrange your question so that you can have x and x, y and y, right? So here let's factor out x to get x plus 1. Here we can factor out minus y. Okay, so here for you to understand, guys, let me just write 1 plus x. So if you factor out x, it means here you divide by x to get 1. Here you divide by x to get x. Here you are factoring out your negative y. So to get something to write inside the bracket, you divide by minus y, we get 1. If we divide by minus y, we get what? Plus x. So these two brackets are the same. We take 1, it's 1 plus x. Then we take x minus y. Right? That was the first equation. Second question, we are supposed to factorize 4x squared minus 1. And the other one, okay, let me do this one first. So here, what is common there? There is nothing that is common, but we can see 4 is a perfect square, 1 is a perfect square, and x squared, it's also a perfect square, right? Okay, we can write 4 as 2 squared. 4 is the same as 2 squared. Then we can write our x squared then minus 1. Even 1 we can write as 1 squared. 1 squared is the same as 1. So what does it mean here? We have 2x. We also have another 2x. We have 2 of these 2x. Tinana 2x vary 2 up. 2 squared we have 2 and a 2. X squared we have x and x. Minus 1 squared. The other one is plus 1, and we have minus 1. That's how we factorize this, right? Then 2x squared plus 2xa plus x plus a, right? How do we factorize this? So we factorize by grouping. So here we have 2x squared plus 2xa. What is common? 2x is common here. So we are going to get x plus a. Here we have x plus a. So if you have x plus a, what are you going to factor? Our first bracket was x plus a, which means for us to remain with x plus a here, just put plus 1 outside. Most of the students, they get confused here. If there is nothing to factor out, you just put plus 1 so that you can write x plus a and 2x plus 1. Right? Alright. So the B part says hence or otherwise find the highest common factor or the HCF of 4x squared minus 1 and 2x squared plus 2xa plus x plus a. So you can see it's a 1-mark question. And if they say hence, which means you are using the answers that you got on top, right? So after factorizing 4x squared minus 1, we got 2x plus 1 and 2x minus 1. Then after factorizing this one, we got x plus a and 2x plus 1. Right, so what is the highest common factor here? Which factor is dividing both of these? So this side we have 2x plus 1, and 2x plus 1 is also there here. So our HCF is what? 2x plus 1. That's our HCF. Then the next question says find the HCF of 15, 20 and 25. Alright, this is not part of factorization, but it's also part of numbers. It's very easy. I will send you the videos on these. Then the next part says factorize p squared minus 4. P squared minus 4. This is a difference of two squares. Why? We have 4 as the perfect square. So we have p squared. Then we can write 4 as what? 2 squared. Now it means tinana p vari 2. We have 2 p's. Then we have 2 squared, which means tinana 2 vari 2. We have 2. The other one is positive and the other one is negative. That's how we factorize difference of two squares. Then the next one, it's a quadratic expression. 2p squared plus 7p plus 6. This is a quadratic expression. To factorize, you multiply the first and the last, right? This is my second time to repeat this. So I repeated it in so many questions, so it must make sense to you guys. So you multiply the first and the last. 2p squared times 6, that's 12p squared. So now we are targeting 12p squared and plus 7p. So the factors of 12 which we multiply to get 12p squared and which we add to get 7p. So if we multiply 4 times 3, we get 12. If we add 4 plus 3, we get 7. So if we say 4p times 3p, we get 12p squared. If we say 4p plus 3p, we get what? Plus 7p. So these factors can work. We take these factors, we replace plus 7p with the factors. So we write 2p squared plus 4p plus 3p plus 6. We replaced plus 7p with the factors. Here we can factor out 2p to get p plus 2. Here we can factor out, so just factor the number which is there, plus 3 to get what? P plus 2. Right? So we have two brackets which are the same. So we take p plus 2 and we take 2p plus 3. 2p plus 3. Hence or otherwise find the HCF. The HCF of what? P squared minus 4 and the HCF of 2p squared plus 7p plus 6. So finding the HCF is just based on factorization. The factorized expression of p squared minus 4, it was p plus 2, p minus 2. The factorized expression of this one, it was p plus 2 and 2p plus 3. So what is common? It's p plus 2 and p plus 2. So our HCF is equal to p plus 2. So that's the HCF of these two expressions. Okay, so now let's carry on with other questions. Let's carry on with other questions.